All right, guys. So what do you do if you got people in the shot that shouldn't be there? For example, a videographer in the background photobombing my shot. That's one example. Passersby, things like that. Well, we've got the new AI lab tool as of Evoto AI 7. Now, this is a brand new tool, and it's got two new features in the AI lab section. One is called people removal, and the other one is smart removal. Now, the people removal tool is for passersby, things like that, people that got in the shot, and it's supposed to automatically detect those people, create a mask, and then remove them from the shot. So I'll show you how to do that. And the smart removal is more of a quick removal tool, and we'll take a look at that as well. Elephant in the room or videographer in the room, we'll hit the people removal tool and wait for it, and it's going to apply an auto mask. And that was really quick, and it finds the person. Somehow it knows which person doesn't belong in this shot, right? And it's this guy right here. So it's identified him, and we're going to hit generate. Now it does use a little bit of credit, like 0.3 credit. Okay, that's weird. It's a partial credit, so that's cool. And we'll go ahead and generate, and it's going to think about it for several seconds here, but eventually, hopefully, the videographer will be gone. And boom, just like that, he's gone. All right, I'm happy with that. Look at that. I mean, it's like he was never there, and isn't that the point, right? So what about these over here? I feel like these are going to be, this is going to be more of a taller ask here than this over here. Let's go ahead and we'll hit save, and let's go to smart removal, which is the second one, and that is an AI powered quick removal of objects, blemishes, and other distractions. And this is what we have here, objects and other distractions on the side. So I'm going to click on that, and we have options in here for magic removal and quick removal, which is a narrow area, faster. We'll do the magic removal. We'll try that. And you have options for brush size. Okay, so I've got, I don't know if you can see, it's a really small brush right now, and now it's a huge brush. So maybe we'll bring it down to about that size. And then the hardness, I want probably a little bit of hardness to this one because I want some detail. If you bring the brush down, the hardness down, then you get real soft edges and whatever you replace, and I want details, okay? And actually, you can use the left or right bracket keys next to the P key to make the brush size larger or smaller. I'm going to start with this right here, and we're going to come down here, and let's just do that right there, and we'll say remove, and boom, that's gone. So let me get the legs here. Maybe I should have just done the whole thing. Let's just come in here. I'm afraid to let go now, but let's just come in here and we'll do this right here. And let's just see what it does. I should have made the brush a little bigger, huh? But let's see what it does there. And all right, let's just do that. And we'll hit remove. Half a credit, it says. We went up this time. It was 0.3 before. Whoa, okay. We got some like generative fill action here. I'm loving that. Like, it's perfect. Look at that. It stuck a bush in there for me. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna hit, like, I'm kind of amazed. We've got some Gen AI fill going on here, guys. Whoa, this is pretty cool. So where there was distractions before, now we've got a bush, and I'm completely happy with that. I was thinking it was just going to make a blank wall there, but I'm cool. Now there's a little bit of weirdism down there in the bottom of the pot, but I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hit apply. And so we have two options. We can keep one image copy or create a new copy, and we'll hit OK. I'm just going to create a new copy just like that. And I'm going to hit OK, and that's going to make a new copy on the end here. Here's the original. We got videographer, and then we've got all this weirdism, all this stuff over here that I left in the shot. And then over here, we've got a bush. Isn't that amazing, guys? So that is the new AI lab in Evoto AI. All right, guys, give this a try on some of your own images and comment below on how this magic removal feature worked for you. I'm curious to try this on a lot more new images and see what that generative AI fill, as it were, kind of does with some different types of images and distractions. So leave your comments below, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and have a good one.